Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Maynila is brought to you by Atienza Natural Malunggay Capsules. The power of malunggay in a capsule. That's why it's the Wonder Gulay. Whirlpool Home Appliances. Whirlpool, the trusted appliance brand in the world. Thank you for making us the world's #1. Do you want to succeed in today's workplace? Learn English from the best. International Language Makati. For details, visit www.elam.ph. Fujidenso Home and Commercial Appliances. For high-quality appliances that are extremely durable and energy efficient. Whether for your home or business, choose Fujidenso. Quality above all. New Nescafe Blend and Brew, the taste of freshly brewed coffee. Technogas, strongly built and beautifully designed in Italy. The legendary Italian brand carefully engineered to only give you the best cooking experience. Technogas, the strong...
Narito na, sari-saring istorya, mga kwento ng pag-ibig, pagsuyo at pamilya. Dito ang eksena'y matama, buhay ay makulay at puno ng drama. Maynila, 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 ang kwento mo'y bukal ng
Mga bagong kwento, totoong buhay, larawan ng tagumpay. Ito ang bagong Maynila.